Switchback Assault 146 owners, you're going to want to pay close attention in this video. Before I go any further though, if you want, click the link below. It'll take you right to the product on our website. You can read up on it, check everything out right there. Switchback Assault 146 owners, the stock rear rail, the rear skid frame rails, they're kicked up for, you know, all around type riding. The product we're going to talk about today is mainly focused on the guys that are either drag racing or lake racing, more in particular with the boost models. But we created a Hyfax that makes the rail profile flat, so that keeps more of the track on the ground. It really helps stabilize these sleds when we turn up the power, especially again on the boost. When we turn up the power and they're wanting to wheelie all the way across the lake, we need to get these things planted, we need to get them under control. I know some guys that crashed last year and stuff. This will really help with that, again, improve traction, which is going to help us with our speeds and stuff, improve stability, make it safer, make them easier to drive, things like that. So what the kit comes with is you get your two pieces of Hyfax. You can see where the wedge is built in there. And then it's got our axle relocate kit. We have to push the wheels down to get everything to work in correlation with each other. This will not work with wheels any other size. It won't work with other offset axle kits either, because the Hyfax eats up track length in the skid. So if you try to run a bigger wheel than this, even with a different offset axle, you're going to find out that your suspension can't go through all this ratios and stuff. Track will start getting tight, it'll start binding up, things like that. So again, kit comes with the two Hyfax, the fourth wheel kit relocate. Your other option after that, that guys would do last year, is they would purchase aftermarket rails and then go to their wheel kit. When you're done and said with that, you're close to $1,100 just in parts alone. And then you still obviously have to disassemble the whole skid, put it back together, things like that. It's a lot more labor intensive. This is something that's a lot simpler, a lot easier, and it looks stock too. So, and you know, a lot of you guys have your rails are powder coated the color you want your machine, things like that. So again, makes the rails flat on the Switchback Assault 146 models, improves traction, improves stability, comes with everything you need, instructions. Check it out on the website. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.